Hello there, thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com on this Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Denise Isaac. The fog has now lifted and we're all enjoying a bright and sunny day. Though tonight, a cold front will move through the area and that will usher in some much colder air, even few clouds possible. But as you're planning your afternoon, make sure you have your sunglasses available and some sort of outdoor plans. Maybe lunch outdoors or even just take a 15-minute walk. It wouldn't be a bad idea. By 3 p.m. we're looking at 53. 5, mostly sunny, 51, so a great spring day. But remember, I mentioned there's a cold front on the way, so as a cold front moves through, we're expecting temperatures to take a dive pretty quickly. By 7, already at 45, 9, 37, and by 11 p.m., chilly and cold, 32. Here's our futurecast. It's a really bright and sunny day. We do have a system to our south that will stay to our south over Illinois, Indiana. We're not expecting to see rain or snow. Few clouds possible this afternoon. They're mainly high clouds that won't really yield to any rain or snow. And our night will sleep under clear skies, which will allow for some good cooling tonight. But first, let's talk about the warm-up. 53 is the first day in 2 weeks that we actually reached the 50s. Tonight, 21, mostly cloudy and a cold breeze. So tomorrow is the cold day, is the outlier of the 7-day forecast. 37 will be our high. By Thursday, already warming up to 44. It's still a cold morning at 20. By Friday, we're looking at highs near 60 with a 40% chance for rain. Saturday looks soggy, wet, 50, at least 58 will be the high, 60% chance for showers, and the rain continues into Sunday with highs in the low 50s.